How to enable night light on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn on the warmer screen tint and set a schedule for it. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Display. After that, tap Night Light, or something similar like Eye Comfort. At this point, you'll see a toggle at the top. Turn that on to enable it right away. From here, drag the slider below it to adjust how warm or intense the tint appears on your screen. Following this, tap Schedule if you want night light to turn on automatically at a set time instead of manually every day. After that, choose between options like Sunset to Sunrise or Custom Schedule, where you can set your own start and end times. Keep in mind that night light reduces blue light, which can make it easier on your eyes when using your phone at night. That's how you enable night light on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!